Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Lynn. Simple recipes, easy to make. Chinese New Year is coming, yay! Today I'm going to share with you whole fish with green onions. Fish in Chinese, 鱼, and green onions in Chinese, 葱. And in the end, I'm going to explain why fish is so popular for Chinese New Year. First, let me show you the ingredients. I have a pomfret fish, just over a pound, I think a pound and a quarter. And you can use tilapia or sea bass. And here are my green onions, 8. 8 is a good number. And I just need to slice it, cut it. Don't wrong. Separate the white part. And the green part we just chop finely. So that's our green onions, 葱, and we have ginger, garlic. Just need a piece, this much. We just roughly chop up. Okay, that's garlic and ginger. And optional, you can use some fresh chili peppers or dried chili peppers. I have 6. 6 also a good number. Or you can just skip the peppers to make it non-spicy. I just chop in half. Next, we are going to take care of our fish. So if you have the fish in the freezer, as I did, make sure you take out hours before you cook it. And you get rid of the fins. So this way, the fish will cook properly inside. Get rid of the fins. I'm going to leave the tail, right? And just need to wipe it with paper towel. Make sure there's no water inside out. Good. And we just score the fish on both sides. That. Not too deep, not touch the bone. Like that. This way it would be easier to cook and then also easier to get the flavors in. 1, 2, 3. And I also have of course, the Shaoxing Cooking wine, and I have black vinegar and light soy sauce. Also, I have some Sichuan peppercorns, optional. Now we're ready to cook. I'm heating up my pan to high, and we're gonna add some oil. It's canola oil. You can use vegetable oil. For the new year, we need more oil. Now the oil is hot, we just add some salt. Now we pan fry our fish. It's a little bigger than the pan. We fry 2 to 3 minutes each side. After 2 minutes, flip to the other side. Cover it. Fry another 2 minutes. After another 2 minutes, let's take out the fish. And let the oil cool for a little bit. Now the oil cools off. We just set the heat to medium. And first we add white part of green onions. To infuse the oil. Why do we pan-fry the fish? Basically by frying it, it gets rid of the fishy taste and also add more flavor. Okay, that's white parts of green onions. Now we add chopped ginger and garlic. Sichuan peppercorns, optional. And chili peppers, optional. If you don't want spicy. The peppers also add a nice color, right? Now we add some light soy sauce, black vinegar, a little bit sugar, it's always good to balance the flavor, and Shaoxing Cooking wine. Give it a stir. Remember, we already add salt in the oil before, right? Before we pan-fry the fish. Now I'm gonna add warm water. Should be enough. And we'll bring this to boil. Now sauce is boiling. Let's add the fish. Basting it. Now we cover it at medium heat. We're gonna cook about 10 to 12 minutes, depends on how big your fish is, but we're going to check after a few minutes. About 5 minutes passed. Let's check our fish. So we got to baste it. Looking good, right? You don't need to flip it. Let me just try the sauce quickly. Wow, great. So we'll cover it, cook about another 5 minutes. So we already cooked over 10 minutes. Let's open it and baste it. So we'll cook another 2 minutes or let the sauce thicken. Wow, smells so good. After about 2 minutes, you can see our sauce thickened. And now we add green onions. And cook about half a minute. Now our fish is ready. Whole fish with green onions. Mr. Cameraman, let's have a close-up. Thank you. Doesn't look great? Wow. Beautiful. You ready to try?
Sure, looks great.
It smells so good. Get you some. This is the good part, right here. Done perfectly, see? Right? I'll take care of you, I know. Mr. Cameraman afraid of bones. So optional, you can also make with fish fillet. Just good meat here. Give it some sauce.
Thank you.
Enjoy. I get some for myself. Just one piece. Perfectly done. Wow. Ready to try?
I'm ready to try it.
Cheers.
That's delicious.
It's a little bit too spicy for you?
No.
No, good? Yeah. As I said, you guys can make a non-spicy. Yeah, the must-haves for cooking fish. Green onions, ginger, garlic. Of course, this recipe we highlighted green onions. Delicious, right?
So good.
As I said, if you don't want to deal with bones, you can use this recipe with the fish fillet. Just pan fry the fish and then make the sauce the same way I made. Okay, so why fish is so popular for Chinese New Year? Do you know, Mr. Cameraman?
Does it mean long life?
You can say that it's all the good luck. So because the fish in Chinese 鱼 sounds the same as the other word 鱼, which means abundant. So you have fish for Chinese New Year's dinner, which means you'll have a year of abundance, which means you have a lot of luck, a lot of health, a lot of happiness, right? Lots of good things. If you guys interested in more Chinese New Year tradition, probably next week we can plan a live stream. I can share Chinese tradition with you guys. Why I said 6 is a good number, 8 is a good number, etc., right? Please leave me a comment below if you ever had whole fish or if you're gonna make fish for the new year. And I'm going to leave a playlist, Chinese recipe playlist in the description box. Check it out. It has appetizers like spring rolls and pan-fried dumplings, and also have fish, right? Whole fish, fish fillet, and chicken, kung pao chicken. Check it out. I will list the link in the description box below. We just want to wish everybody health, happiness, and prosperity in the year of ox, especially health. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel for more simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.